Welcome to Hannah and Alien Happy World. Hi guys! Today we woke up and saw this is huge as our palm.
Yeah, so big.
This is
humongous. Wow.
Bigger than mine.
And we are going to harvest this. Yes, this cadence today. This one we're gonna leave it and we're gonna see how big.
These mushrooms need a lot of water.
Okay, I think.
Let me show. Oh, I'm gonna take this one. Okay, that's good. Enough.
You took out the whole thing with the roots. Alright. You can actually try to do the other sides. You cut the next and spray water at the same time. So you can get this as gifting services.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
We have 9 mushrooms.
Now I'm going to the back to wash the mushrooms. I'm also scared if I can't actually go. Okay, left over.
No, you can eat that. Yeah, you can eat. Not now, you have to cook it.
Okay, rubbish.
No, the whole thing can be eaten, yes. And I have 2 eggs. She's beating the egg. So we're gonna cook the mushroom first with some oil. What did you put?
We are going to put the mushroom. Then we put the egg mixture.
Okay, put in the mushroom now.
Okay. Mushroom time.
Stir, stir.
It smells so good. Now put egg. So happy. It's on top of the mushroom?
Yeah, just pour it all over.
Okay. No idea. Ew. Yeah, I will. You just need to
Yeah,
wait for the
now we
bubbles.
cover all the. Flip it, do the flip. Okay, fine. Oh, well done, Hannah.
Wow! Golden brown!
Yes.
Okay.
Smells so good.
Oh, here's out. Just finished cooking. From grow to harvest to cooking to eating.
Yay!
Just now I flipped the egg. It was my first time flipping the egg.
Well done.
Now time to eat. Okay.
It's a very good experience, right? We grow our own mushroom. We harvest it. We cooked it. And now Hannah is going to try to eat it.
I just pepper smell, right?
Yes. It smells delicious here because we use butter to cook.
Yummy! Bye-bye, subscribe for my latest video. Bye!
She'll be continuing eating.